This is a very quick tour of 203. The carpet has not come yet, but the painter just finished. This is a 2.5 bath. This is the half bath. Entry is tiled, and living room is very big. Fireplace, beautiful green view out into trees. And here it is, almost sunset time. And this is the light it gets in the afternoon. Dining area, kitchen, lots of cabinetry to put things away. Dishwasher, sink, stainless steel refrigerator, stove, microwave. Sorry, it has not been cleaned yet. They just finished painting, so everything's really dusty. All right, then there's guest bathroom. This is a full bath. Toilet is back behind here, and there's more cabinetry space. Then laundry, stacked washer and dryer in the hallway. And also in the hallway here, lots of cabinetry space. Put away your brooms, your vacuum. It's so cool to be able to put everything away. Nice of the architect to make that. So from the bedroom, it's also got tree views. And this is the guest bedroom. We just upgraded the mirrors, closet doors. There's the living room, hallways right here. Brand new doors on the master, his and her closets. Please ignore the carpet. We're going to get new carpet. Big stall shower, sink, medicine cabinet, and nice breezes come through these windows. So there's enough room for a full queen here, but I wouldn't put anything bigger than a queen in this room. No one looks directly in at you. That's very nice up here. We're on the second floor, on the back of the building. It's pretty quiet. Of course, there are the trash trucks that go by the alley, but that is the tour. Thank you very much for coming for the tour. And yes, surprisingly, that is a real fireplace. You can burn wood in it. It's good for a couple of date nights every winter. And let me know if you're interested in an apartment for rent.